Hello friends and welcome to the first video of our step-by-step WordPress tutorial for beginners. In this video you will learn what is WordPress. So this is basically the introduction of WordPress. WordPress is a content management system. It's a free and open source content management system that can be used to create different type of websites and blogs. So let's see some examples here. So you are seeing this website which is called bazaaronweb.com, and you can see it's a grocery website. It's a website where they are selling groceries. You can see some blogs are also written here. For example, blogs like what is entrepreneurship and everything is written here. So you can write blogs in WordPress. You can create your e-commerce store in WordPress, and you can sell or promote different type of products using WordPress. This is one example. Now here is another example that is created using WordPress. So you can see this is a website for a pizza delivery company. So using a theme we have customized this website, and now this particular company can use this website to get some orders. So this is a dummy website. Also, you can use WordPress to create website for your agency. For example, we have this Unvitech web design agency, and you can see you can create a website like this, and in couple of hours or maybe 3 or 4 hours, you can set up a website like this, and you can get going. You can also write blogs in different languages. For example, we have written a blog in Hindi language. Again, this is another example where we have created a website for our institute, and in this website you can see we have mentioned about our courses and everything, and we have created website in different languages. So we have created a website in Hindi language also. So WordPress supports these type of languages, like it supports Hindi language, Japanese language, and so on. So you can create website in different languages. You can create website of different types for business purpose, for shopping and e-commerce purpose. Everything can be created using WordPress. So this is the first thing, that WordPress is a free and open source content management system. Now, as a beginner, you might encounter two type of WordPress. First is WordPress.com and second is WordPress.org. So this course is basically about WordPress.org and not about WordPress.com. If you call it, so WordPress.org is self-hosted. Self-hosted means we will host this website, and WordPress.com is hosted by WordPress. So the examples that you have just seen are created using WordPress.org's script. So we have used the script provided by WordPress.org, and we have bought hosting. So there are different type of hosting providers. So from them we have to buy a hosting, we have to buy a domain, and then we can host our WordPress websites on these domain names. Now we also have one example of WordPress.com. So a website that is created on WordPress.com looks something like this. So this is also a website where you can write blog and you can create pages and everything. But again, this is hosted by WordPress, and that's why in the domain name you can see it's actually a subdomain. So a domain like this is known as a subdomain, and this a domain like this which is slidescope.com, this is a top level domain or a main domain. So either you can create a website using WordPress.com, but then you will have a domain like this, or you can create a fully customizable WordPress.org based website. So don't get confused that you just have to remember about WordPress.org. Now let's read about WordPress.org from Google itself. So here you can see first we have WordPress.com is a platform for self-publishing that is popular for blogging and other works. So if you just have to create some blogs for fun or maybe providing some information, so you can use WordPress.com also, create a free website or blog. But WordPress.org is much more than that. WordPress is a free and open source content management system written in PHP, and it is paired with MySQL or MariaDB database. So it is written in PHP, and you can create a MariaDB and MySQL database, and then it is a complete script. So first thing first, you have to go to WordPress.org, and from here you can download WordPress in your computer. So first thing what we will do, we will try to download and install WordPress in our computer. That's right. We will create a hosting in our computer, and using that hosting we will host a simple website in our computer. So WordPress is a content management system once again, and it can be used to create websites and blogs. It can be used to create e-commerce websites, business websites, job portals, real estate listing websites, and it can be used to create any type of website. You can create ERP software. So I'm writing it ERP softwares. You can create e-commerce. You can create websites for NGO, for real estate. You can create websites for IT companies. So we will show you various type of examples during this course. Now I guess you have understood what is WordPress. Now in the next part of this tutorial, we will download WordPress, and we will also see what type of software is needed to install WordPress in our computer. So in the next part we will learn how to install and host a WordPress website in our computer.